Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing a drop test on this iPhone 4S versus this iPhone XR that is locked. They're both iCloud locked. The 4S is dead. This does have some charge in it. And instead of dropping it on concrete or asphalt, we're going on these rocks. There's going to be no slow motion, sadly. But let's see what we can do. We'll start with the iPhone 4S from waist height in 3, 2, 1. Somehow it didn't crack. I was expecting it to. And let's go with the iPhone XR in 3, 2, 1. And it hit the frame and the edge of the glass, but it didn't crack, so that's pretty cool. We'll go on the corner drop of the 4S from waist height in 3, 2, 1. Definitely took some of the impact on that back glass and right there on the frame, but they aren't cracked. And the iPhone XR in 3, 2, 1. So it could definitely hit right there in the corner as well. Still looks to be good, not cracked front or back. We'll go ahead and do the face down drop. Pat these rocks down a little bit. In 3, 2, 1. And this one back here. And it didn't crack again. And I see a nasty little pit on the glass. But not cracked front or back. It's completely dead, so probably even trigger the battery icon. No. That one did pretty good. Let's see how the iPhone XR does. Waist height. 3, 2, 1. Looks like it's okay. Let the screen down. It's got a mark down here. Other than that, it did pretty good. Now, this is where they all crack. I know it's not going to survive this. Let's go chest height on the back in 3, 2, 1. Actually, it did pretty good. I think it hit more towards the side. But that one didn't crack, so we'll go to move on to the iPhone XR. Waist height, or head height, roughly, chest height. On its back, 3, 2, 1. That sounded terrible. Look at that. Didn't crack, though. You can see the marks on it, though. Wipes away for the most part. It sucks that you can't really use any parts off these iPhones either because they're all locked. And if you take the screen off one iPhone and try to put it on another, it's not going to work because they're paired together. So 3, 2, 1 is going to be the 4S chest height on the corner. 3, 2, 1. So it hit there towards the front, hit the plastic, but that plastic bumper did enough protection for the screen. I did okay. Here is the iPhone XR. 3, 2, 1. It hit the speaker bottom of the speaker, it looks like. Back isn't cracked. Screen isn't cracked, but it's definitely getting beat up a little bit on the edges, being that it's curved. And doesn't have that support like the iPhone 4S does. Now we're going to do the screen drop, or yeah, face down on the glass on the iPhone 4S in 3, 2, 1. So actually, to be honest, not getting the results I thought I was going to get. Delaminating in the corner. The glass is just fine though. So there's something stuck in this headphone jack too, but not the result I was expecting. So we'll go on to the face down drop on the iPhone XR in 3, 2, 1. That's a pretty solid hit, and it didn't crack the display either. So now we're going to take the phones and we're going to skid them on the back. Let's start with the iPhone 4S. Here it is. It's going to take it, we're going to skip it on the back and see how bad it scratches. Swipe down, we'll see if we can see the glass here. Glass is in really good shape, not a lot of scratches. To be honest, I don't really see any, but very good condition. Looks to be in really good shape. We're going to do the screen. Wipe the screen down. And the screen does have some scratches on it, as you can tell. Ooh, that sounded terrible. And there's definitely some new scratches on there. Just going to wipe it down here. Definitely that new scratch right across the main, right in the middle of the display, right in the main part of it. That's definitely a new scratch. Let's go ahead and do the iPhone XR. Wipe the back down. There's the back, really good shape, one scratch right by the Apple logo. And we'll wipe the screen down in case it goes to the front. Very minor scratches, nothing big on the front. 3, 2, 1. And then we wipe the front down because it did hit some on the front too. On the back here, looks to be about the same. Definitely took some damage on the frame right there where it hit. And then the front, took some up there for sure, right there on that corner. And it looks like right there maybe, unless it's a piece of fuzz. Nah, it's a piece of fuzz. So yeah, pretty much just that one up there. And now, since there's this concrete out here, and these phones are doing pretty good, we're going to do our drop test on normal concrete. So, back, waist height, 3, 2, 1. Here goes the 4S. All it took was a little bit of concrete. iPhone XR on the back. 3, 2, 1. iPhone XR has managed to pull through. Has some impact marks. Didn't come away unscathed, but definitely did better than the iPhone 4S. Do a corner drop in 3, 2, 1. So here's the corner damage. Not too bad. Screen's still good. I think the back cracked a little bit more. We'll go ahead and do the iPhone XR in this corner because it doesn't look as bad. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, that doesn't sound good. But we look to be okay. Impact marks right there. Not bad. iPhone 4S on the screen. We already know what's going to happen here. 3, 2, 1. Actually, I think the plastic border saved it just enough because it hit the edge. But it does have some chips in the glass. Some pretty heavy chips on that plastic on the side. But it survived. And now the iPhone XR on the glass in 3, 2, 1. And same thing, it kind of hit the edge. Oh, I got lucky on that one. Kind of hit the edge, so got a nice little dent in the glass right there. Going to move up to chest height in 3, 2, 1. That was on the back of the iPhone 4S. Couple more cracks, as you would expect. Pretty sure the iPhone XR is going to shatter on this one, as the glass is probably weakened from these. I think that is actually a small crack right there. So I'm pretty sure the iPhone XR is going to be shattered after this. In 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, definitely shattered. I can guarantee it. Yep, camera lens and back glass completely shattered. Corner drop in 3, 2, 1. That was the iPhone 4S on the corner. So I'm not sure what corner it hit. Probably guessing this one right here. Looks pretty good though. Some minor marks. Wipe those off and it's got very few. And then the corner drop on the iPhone XR. Poor iPhone shattered pretty bad. In 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Still living barely, I guess, technically, because the screen's on, but the back shattered some more, it looks like, from that corner. There's the impact marks. I'll get the camera to focus here. It's kind of bright outside now with the sun. There it is. Still working here. So far, the XR's back glass has been a little bit stronger than the 4. But the screens are pretty much tied right now. The frame on the 4S does a little bit better too, being that it's not painted. Face down drop on the 4S in 3, 2, 1. That landed on the side of the frame, so we're going to have to redo that one. Because I can see it definitely hit on the edge of the frame. Didn't even hit the glass at all. So, frame or screen drop on 3, 2, 1. There we go. That was a screen drop. I seen it. You can see where it hit on the edge of the display too. So right up here again, and it didn't crack. Damn, that camera's so bad on the XR. All right, screen drop. iPhone XR face down. 3, 2, 1. Shattered. The back shattered more, I think, too. Screen shattered. Oh, yeah. Even got some LCD damage from that one. We'll go and do the screen drop again on the iPhone 4S and hope for the best. In 3, 2, 1. There it goes. That was a shatter. Alrighty. So we're just going to throw the phone up in the air and see what happens. Yeah, it landed on the back on the iPhone 4S. And one more for the 4S, then we'll do 2 on the iPhone XR. And probably call it a video. So there is the 4S. And the iPhone XR. Landed on the screen. That landed on the back, it looked like. Indeed, look at the bulge in that. Alrighty, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.